Making it gluten-free, a guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's become increasingly popular in both dining and nutrition conversations: make it gluten-free. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this dietary preference, this video will unpack everything you need to know about the phrase, its implications, and how to use it correctly. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the term, gluten-free. Gluten is a type of protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It's what gives bread its chewy texture but can cause health issues for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. When something is gluten-free, it means it does not contain gluten, making it safe for these individuals to consume. When someone says, make it gluten-free, they're requesting that their meal be prepared without any gluten-containing ingredients. This isn't just about preference for many people, it's a necessity for their health. Cross-contamination with gluten can cause serious reactions, so this phrase is crucial in dining settings to ensure food safety. Using the phrase, make it gluten-free, is particularly relevant in restaurants, cafes, or when ordering food. Here's how you can use it effectively. Be clear and specific. When ordering, say, "Could you please make it gluten-free?" This lets the staff know you have a dietary requirement. Ask questions. If you're unsure whether an item is gluten-free, don't hesitate to ask, "Is this gluten-free?" Or, "Can this be made gluten-free?" Communicate your needs. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, it's helpful to add, "I have a gluten allergy," or, "I need it to be strictly gluten-free due to health reasons." Restaurants and cafes are increasingly aware of dietary restrictions. However, responses can vary. "Yes, we can make it gluten-free." This means they're able to accommodate your request. "I'm sorry, we cannot guarantee it's completely gluten-free due to cross-contamination risks." This response is crucial for those with severe sensitivities or celiac disease, as even a small amount of gluten can be harmful. Our menu already includes gluten-free options. Many places now offer specific gluten-free dishes, which are usually marked with a symbol or mentioned in the menu description. Understanding and using the phrase, make it gluten-free, can significantly impact dining experiences, especially for those with dietary restrictions. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means, why it's important, and how to communicate your needs effectively. Whether you're learning English or navigating gluten-free dining, remember that clear communication is key to a safe and enjoyable eating experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.